Hey guys, this video is like part 2 or 3 of this airsoft video trilogy, and without further ado, let's get on to the video.
One, go, 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 go!
Oh, head that side, head. Brian's over there. Andrew. Brian's hit. Sorry, man. My arm. Cool. Man, I'm not gonna be able to pee for a year. Hey.
My pocket. Put the game starts, I'm gonna do a cool ass reload.
Is that
when
really?
I do a cool ass reload, I'm gonna drop the mag.
In the castle. Good job, Troy. Hold. Manuel's dead. Alright, Ryan's hit. Oh, that's. I don't know, because he's trying to flank, but we're stupid. I see his. Yeah.
Oh, we got him. There's a mirror, you.